10 reasons why celebrities and rich people prefer Rolls-Royce. The Rolls-Royce may have been in the wrong side of the news these days, but that should not make it look like an average run-of-the-mill car. It has been a prized collection of Indian celebrities and rich Indian businessmen. Call it a work of exquisite artsmanship, level of detailing, sheer performance, or the price tag, every Rolls-Royce model has commanded tremendous respect from its owners. And, of course, the owners list reads out accomplished names like Mukesh Ambani, first customer in India of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the grand SUV, Tamil actor Vijay, Hrithik Roshan, Ajay Devgan, Priyanka Chopra, Sanjay Dutt, rapper Badshah, Akshay Kumar, Shah Rukh Khan, TV artist Kapil Sharma Extra. Few. Rolls-Royce cars are limited in production and hence each car has its own trivia and history. Apparently, it takes 60 expert engineers and artists 400 days to build just one car. Hence every Rolls-Royce is more than just a car. Unless you are here to ask, kitna deti hai? Mileage? Swipe ahead to read on the 10 reasons that makes the Rolls-Royce such a powerful celebrity car. The Royal Association. When you are investing in a Rolls-Royce car, you actually become a part of a heritage that includes a specific pedigree, royalty. The prestigious clientele of Rolls-Royce includes figures like Maharaja Jai Singh of Alwar or the Nizam of the Hyderabad Nawab Mir Osman Ali Khan VII, who had some 50 Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost cars lying around in his personal garage. Besides royalty, buying a car worth crores also sends a strong statement about your power and esteem. The Maharaja of Alwar, in fact, was snubbed by a salesman for his simple attire. Feeling insulted, the Maharaja appeared in his royal attire and bought the Rolls-Royce cars as if he were purchasing groceries at a supermarket. All the cars the Maharaja bought were used as garbage collecting trucks. That fable was a lesson for Rolls-Royce to never judge a book by its cover. Of course, the saga has also ignited the minds of generations of Indians. Thanks to the Maharaja's lesson, Rolls-Royce corrected its sales strategy and went on to build the first of its colonial models so as to suit the rugged Indian terrains. Most of the models were pumped up with entertainment features and extra space to fix luggage and hunting equipments. Besides the royal pedigree, Rolls-Royce would also associate with inspiring greatness, a phrase you would spot first on the website of RR. Image courtesy of Rolls-Royce, His Highness, the Maharaja Sir Bhupendra Singh and HRH the Prince of Wales in a 1919 Rolls-Royce 40/50th HP Silver Ghost, belonging to Maharaja of Patiala. It was originally an aviation company. This was an airplane company founded in 1906 by Charles Stuart Rolls and Frederick Henry Royce. Of course, they also built their first car, the Silver Ghost, which went on to make heads turn. In 1971, Rolls-Royce was nationalized by the UK government but soon turned private in 1987. As of date, the Rolls-Royce is a part of the BMW Group. In image courtesy of Rolls-Royce, Charles Stuart Rolls, world's first non-stop double crossing of the English Channel by aeroplane. Upholstery and quality work. Be it the Cullinan or the Phantom or the Ghost, nothing matches the sheer opulence of the interiors of a Rolls-Royce. Of course, a Bentley may match the quality and visual appeal. But don't even try comparing the Rolls-Royce with everyday automotive names, you may dejected. There's two reasons to understand why the Rolls-Royce upholstery is different. First, it is completely handcrafted from bull leather to prevent crease. Secondly, the size of the fabric can be anywhere from a whopping 75 meters and above. There's no cost cutting with Rolls-Royce. Inside, rich passengers get to control the temperature of the cabin, which of course is built in a manner to restrict sound and moisture from seeping in. Speaking of the cabin aesthetics, let us inform you that the refrigerators inside a Rolls-Royce can maintain temperatures of the most exotic champagne at a range of 6 to 11 degrees. In image, the customized seats of a Rolls-Royce Phantom in collaboration with Hermes. Image attributed to Rolls-Royce. Painting it like a Rolls-Royce. On the outside, it is reported that a Rolls-Royce paint consumes anywhere upwards of 45 kilos of liquid paint and has at least 5 layers of paint put up by a combination of robots and expert painters doing the tough corners. Now you understand why the rich men don't like to park their Rolls-Royce in open parking. Speak of paints, and the Rolls-Royce offers customization like none other. The Rolls-Royce Phantom offered some 44,000 colors to customize cars from. That level of detailing has been unheard of. In pics, Mark caught painting the coach line. Image courtesy of Rolls-Royce. An emblem that you can't steal. No Rolls-Royce is complete without the spirit of the ecstasy and adornment that has beautified every Rolls-Royce model. According to Rolls-Royce, the spirit is the brainchild of sculptor and illustrator Charles Sykes, based on Sykes' bronze statuette The Whisper, commissioned by Lord Montague of Beaulieu. The design was first registered as the official Rolls-Royce mascot in 1911. In fact, until 1939, every figurine was hand-finished by Sykes and his daughter Josephine. The Whisper and other Spirit of Ecstasy figurines are on permanent display at the National Motor Museum, Beaulieu. Did you know that you cannot steal the emblem or the spirit? That is because every time that the car is switched off, a customized set of process kicks in via sensors which tucks in the figurine securely inside the bonnet. Once inside the bonnet, the emblem cannot be scraped or stolen. If you are wondering how much a 24-carat emblem costs, well, a first copy can be yours for as cheap as a lakh. But the real one is set in 24 carat pure gold and could cost upwards of 50 lakh rupees. In pic, the gold-infused Spirit of Ecstasy on the Rolls-Royce Phantom, courtesy BMW Group. Completely personalized and fully tested, irrespective of where the customer stays, every Rolls-Royce model can be customized perfectly to the fine aesthetics of the customer's expectations. Be it a stitch on the upholstery or having a mural painted on the gear knob or having the sunroof project and image, the ideas to customize are aplenty. Speaking of the quality assurance, Rolls-Royce ain't just delivering car, they are literally shipping you a fort on wheels. Imagine walking into any car dealership and asking for a ride to test the airbags. Of course, no dealership would let you do that. With Rolls-Royce, they've got things a lie different. Every car is sent to an exercise of abuses that guarantees that every component gets the Rolls-Royce promise. Some of the acts in this torturous exercise include banging, hammering, stress testing the suspensions, piling dead weights on the wheels, speed maneuvering, and even live crash tests. The expectation is simple: cars that come scratch-free are delivered to the customer. The ones that fail the torture are sent to scrap. In pic, the Rolls-Royce Land Speed Collection, courtesy Rolls-Royce. Starlit roofs. Traveling daytime and want to sleep? You could turn on that starlit roof. The roof is the work of a complex mesh of optic fibers, rendering an illusion of a starry night at all times. In pic, the Starlight headliner has become a much necessary adornment as much as the Spirit of Ecstasy, the Pantheon grille, or the double R monogram. Image courtesy of Rolls-Royce. Doors open backwards. The average car opens outwards ahead. The Rolls-Royce opens out backwards and needs a button push to lock the door. That might sound like too much work, but once that button gets pushed, the passenger is inside a secure fort. Also, customers can customize how the door opens. The Rolls-Royce Phantom Tranquility, for instance, has the driver's side seats opening like any normal car. In pics, the doors to the lavish Rolls-Royce Cullinan, courtesy of Rolls-Royce. Where the rich go to network with Teflon-coated umbrellas. Did you know that almost all Rolls-Royce models come with a hidden Teflon-coated umbrella concealed somewhere within the door cavity? That has been a special feature with the Ghost lineup starting from 2000 onwards. Of course, there's more to owning a Rolls-Royce than just doors that open outside backwards or umbrellas. A Rolls-Royce not only makes you feel rich but also offers you a complimentary access to the Rich People Club. You better not be thinking on saving some money by following the rich and influential on LinkedIn or Twitter. Because nothing compares to the level of networking that a Rolls-Royce ownership offers. Imagine a club where the discussion is only about money and all things exquisite. In pics, when networking with the rich, the discussion is bound to veer towards exquisite masterpieces. Like this Rolls-Royce boat tail timepiece, an artistic collaboration with Bowat 1822. Image courtesy Rolls-Royce. Serviced by doctors. No matter wherever you are marooned, just a swipe on the app or a call to the Rolls-Royce team should be enough. In fact, the RR guys would insist that you wait for their in-house doctors to arrive, then approaching an unknown mechanic. The Rolls-Royce experts are called flying doctors, who usually make their way in under a few days to get your car up and running. The quality of the models and the level of servicing are reasons why a whopping 65% of all Rolls-Royce models are operational even today. In pics, a unique Rolls-Royce motor car receives special treatment at the home of Rolls-Royce. Image courtesy Rolls-Royce.